Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV in Dexter, Missouri. Today we're going to talk about one of the Sabre Cobalt 350 BH. This is a new 2023 camper. As we walk around here, I'm going to talk a little bit about it. It has the auto leveling with controller on the outside, dual batteries with solar panels on the top. It has two propane tanks. This particular unit has the 20-pound tanks, one on both sides. Huge storage, 50 amp camper. It has the water hookups and the outside shower inside. On-demand water heater. Remember, guys, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Ground control 3 automatic leveling. Now this is where it gets good. This is the side view of the back storage. It looks like it just has a small storage from the side, so you can still use the net. But the best part about it is the storage from the back. Has a full storage. I mean, you can carry just about anything. Your grills, your chairs. This has the huge outdoor kitchen, the big outdoor refrigerator, sink, all kinds of cabinetry space and drawers. It has the LP quick disconnect. You can set your grill out here. You are ready to go. As we walk on around, all kinds of room under the awning. Now I'm going to talk about this slide out for a little bit because it is already prepped for the Solera slide out awnings, as the other slide outs are too, but you can install the slide out awnings easy. They're already installed, brackets are already installed for it. This particular unit, very pet friendly, has the leash latch on the outside. Side access to the full pass-through storage. This unit also has the GFI plug, the cable hookup, so you can set your TV out here and run off of the antenna that the camper is equipped with. Something right here. All these doors have magnetic catches. All you got to do is push them up and let them stay. I think we'll come on inside. We're going to start right here as we walk in. We're just going to make a full circle around it. This particular unit has the table, 2 chairs and bench, plenty of seating room. This particular unit has the heated massage theater seating. As of all Sabres, they're equipped with the zebra shades, so you can have more light or pull it down to dark. We're going to come in. This particular unit is a bunk camper. Has the bunk room in the back, double bunks, plus it has the trifold sofa, and it has the half bath in the back. Huge TV, fireplace, cabinets above. We're going to walk up the side. Huge pantry. Has the island with the sink. Microwave. 3-burner top with oven and pot and pan storage. This particular unit has the 4-door refrigerator, so you have the 2 double doors on the top to get into the top. Then it has the double freezers on the bottom. I mean, more cabinet space. There's cabinets everywhere in this thing. I mean, we're going to walk on up towards the bathroom area. Before I get there, this is the main centralized control unit of the camper. You have your where you can auto level, run your slide outs in and out. Everything can happen from this panel. Turn the lights on, everything. Got your air conditioner thermostat. Get to the bathroom. It has the tri-slide walk-in shower with the glass doors, porcelain toilet. As we walk up to the bedroom, has the king bed with shelf above the bed. Has the air conditioning unit for the bedroom. Mind you, this blows through the ductwork, but you can actually open it up right here, and it allows 80% of the air to dump out in the bedroom if you need it to get really cool. Huge closet area. This unit is also prepped with the washer dryer hookup. It has a nice chest of drawers in front of the bed. And if you have any other questions about this camper, please contact us.